Tired of that brand new BDO credit card burning a hole in your wallet? Let's get it activated and ready to use in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the BDO online banking website. You can find the link in the description below for easy access. If you haven't already, you'll need to enroll your credit card for online banking. Click on the Enroll Now button you see highlighted on the screen. Fill in the enrollment form with your credit card details. This usually includes your card number, expiry date, and other personal information. Make sure everything is accurate. Once you've successfully enrolled and logged in, look for the Cards section on your dashboard. It's usually located in the main menu. You'll see a list of your BDO cards. Find the one you want to activate. It might say inactive or pending activation. Click on that card. On the card details page, you should see a button that says something like Activate Now or Activate Card. Click on that button. You might need to verify your identity through a one-time password sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to confirm the activation. And that's it. Your BDO credit card is now activated and ready to use. Start enjoying the perks and benefits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.